Hello everyone, welcome to my closet. Today's video will be making over this closet, just organizing it, taking everything that I don't need out because my closet is gonna explode. Most of my clothes are literally on the floor because there's no space in my closet. I don't know if you call this shopping problems, we'll see. I'm so excited. I have so much clothes, and also it's for the new season. Fall is starting, so kind of have to shift from summer clothes to more fall-y, wintry clothes. I also have so much yarn that they are also gonna explode. So I'm gonna also be organizing them and making sure everything fits in a really neat, organized way. I can't wait to actually make this a better closet. Okay, you can go. I got my matcha. So good. Okay, just so you guys have an idea, this is the before of my closet. It is literally a mess. You can see all the hoodies are up there, and here's where I put all of my hijabs. They are all over the place. And then there's, oh wow, Mello just find the perfect spot. And then I also have all of this over here on the other side with my bags, my clothes. Oh my god, this is a disaster. And all of my clothes here on the hanger. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I mean, it's a lot. Why am I saying pretty much it? A lot of organizing that needs to be done. I am gonna start off with these clothes on the hanger. I'm just gonna take out the things that I don't wear. I don't know what the hell is this. I genuinely don't remember when I wore this, and I'm in Arizona, you guys. We don't wear things like that. So she's gonna go out. This one I literally only wore one time in my life. Guys, I am trying to be... Oops. Guys, I'm really trying to be smart about my spendings, but I really sometimes cannot really resist, you know? And I also have this leather jacket. It's not even mine. I don't know what it's doing here. Again, we have a jacket, but that's the thing, like, yes, winter is coming up, but it's not gonna be that cold to wear this jacket, you know? But I'm still gonna have it in my closet because it's mine, and I'll probably just put it like at the end. I haven't worn this in years, but does that mean I'll wear it again? Maybe. I mean, it's nice. I can't really just throw it away. Guys, this is my very first cardigan that I made. Isn't she pretty? You'll never watch me throw this. Never. This is nice. Why do I not wear this? I actually have clothes, you guys. I've taken out the things that I don't wear or I don't need anymore, and I'm thinking I want to either put winter clothes jacket on this side or sort it by color. Like, you know, put the blue together or the black together or the pink together. But I don't know which one I should do. I think I'm gonna do all the cold stuff there. I will just assess what I wear based on the weather. And I don't think I really feel like one day, oh, I want to wear pink. Oh, I want to wear black. If you're that, then I'd recommend sorting by color. But for me, I really don't have a specific mood for a color on a random day. I realize I also have a few dresses, so I'm also going to put the dresses alongside with the jackets, you know, because I don't really wear these much, so they're just going to be on the side. So I put all the dresses on the very far end, and then winter stuff like really thick jackets, sweaters, all of that. And then I put here the things that I would wear often. So this is how I chose to organize it, from things I don't wear as often to things that I wear pretty much all the time. Moving on, I have these sections over here. So here I put all my pants, jeans, and then here some of my skirts, cute tops. And then at the top, they are sweaters or heavy tops that I wear. Always start off by throwing things that you don't wear anymore, because when you do that, you will have more space. I don't know. I stopped wearing it for a while. I might try it on again and see if I actually want it or not. So I'll just put it on the side. This one I don't wear anymore, so throw it out. I just realized Milo is sleeping on my bed and I'm just like throwing stuff at him. I mean, I only wore it once, but I also see the vision of wearing it, so I'm just gonna keep it. I don't know why is there a kufi yet in my pants section. I definitely do not need this. I chose to organize the pants based on color. So all the jeans and blue pants are on one side, then I have white, black, and then the colorful ones that are like green, brown, pink, and the pattern design pants. Now we're gonna go up there and I'm gonna use this so that I can reach, as if that helped much. I love wearing skirts. They're just really cute and they fit every outfit. As for the skirts, I just organized it by black skirts in layers, white, and then the colorful stuff. Now moving on to the top. I honestly don't know what's up there, so we're gonna figure it out. I do need me a chair. Okay, let's see what we got up there. They're really old PJs that I don't need. Guys, I swear, these are the first time I see these clothes. I don't know where they came from. Oh, this is actually bad. This literally screams fall. It's so cute. She is staying with us. Why not? I really love this sweater so much. I don't like how the texture is anymore. From the amount of washing we had to do, that it ruined it. And this is a set, I remember, but I don't know where the shirt is. This is a no. This is cute. I think it's been 2 years or 3 years, but I can never throw it because it's super duper soft. I'm literally sweating. I had to put this fan because it's really hot. Updates. I have done the top shelf. I'm gonna leave the bag section and continue with my clothes. So over here I have my undershirts, white and black ones that I wear if something is transparent or has an opening. And I also have my PJs and some of my dresses. So I have organized all my undershirts, my PJs, my dresses, and then the last shelf is like my gym stuff, like pants, hoodies, jackets, whatever I wear for the gym. And that's pretty much it. It looks so organized. Like, I'm starting to feel better and better. Now I'm going to move on to my bags. I literally forgot that I even made this. This is actually so cute, and you can put a card or a Polaroid. It's adorable. There's no way I can throw it. You guys, this is my very first ever crochet project. It came a long way. Another crochet star bag. It's cute. I'm gonna keep my crocheted stuff over here. This is a ribbon crochet bag. I literally used ribbon to crochet this. Don't know if I should hang bags on the wall, honestly. Maybe I should hang the bags that I wear all the time, so it's like convenient to wear them, you know. I think this makes sense. I hung a few on the wall and I made this way more organized. Over here under my hijabs, I have my crochet clothes. Obviously I'm not gonna throw any away, but I'm just gonna organize them and make it look neat. I do not wear bucket hats anymore. I literally forgot these existed. I think bucket hats ran out of trend. I am so excited for winter because I finally get to wear these again. I have some of my art stuff here, like painting and all. More crocheted related clothes. I love this scarf. I literally just made it for Seattle. I went last year in October. I love Seattle so much, my favorite. A little update for you guys. The first half of my closet is done. This is how it's looking like. Very much organized, very much more pretty. And also for the back section, I decided to put two of my favorite crochet bags, and then I just organized the rest on the shelf. On the other side, it's still a mess. I still have a lot of hoodies up there, and I do need to organize all of this over here. I also have more loads on the floor. It's a complete mess. I don't wear modal or chiffon hijabs anymore, so I'm only gonna keep the one that I wear, which is the jersey one. So yeah. I have this area over here with all of my accessories that definitely need to be sorted out. So finally, this area looks very neat and very organized. These shelves, I put my underscarves and other accessories. So it's looking really great right now. So over here in this shelf, I have a lot of beanies of them that I actually made. For example, this Minions beanie. Tell me it's not cute. It's so adorable. I made one for me and for my sister. We matched when we went to a Universal Studio, so that was really cute. This was my first ever beanie. It looks real weird. It was so big that I had to like pin it from the back. Embarrassing. And then there's this beanie that I made, and I also made a cat beanie, and then just like other random beanies, which I'm so excited for because it's finally sweater weather, beanie weather. I've been waiting for this. I also have other accessories and other beanies. This is my favorite one, if you ask me, because it's pink, it's very soft, and I wore it when I went to Seattle. I also have this fingerless gloves that I made last fall. Oops, you did not see those. Anyways, they're so cute. Last but not least, we have these sweaters and hoodies at the top shelf, which I'm gonna be working on right now. Literally ended up with one trash bag of clothes and all of these that are on my bed. Now I am moving on to my yarn collection. I have this rack over here that is kind of messy. All the yarn is on top of each other and I cannot really see the yarn colors that I have. So what I'm gonna do right now is sort them out, and then the extra ones I'm gonna put them in this basket over here. I do have more yarn outside the room and another basket, so after I'm done with this I'm gonna move on to the other yarn collection. The collection just never ends. So for this rack, I decided to organize my favorite colors. I chose purple shades, pink shades, and blue shades, and more pink. I'm gonna be having these in my closet. I still have this yarn and even more yarn in this bag. I also have this bag that has some yarn that I want to organize in this basket and this basket over here. I organized the rest of my yarn based on color. So starting with the red, orange and yellow, green, blue, and then all the shades of brown, gray, and white. It looks super neat and so organized. And that is the end of this video. I am so happy that my closet is finally organized. I feel so at peace that I can just come to my closet and pick whatever I want to wear with whatever accessories that I want, with all the bags. Everything is just clear and organized. The yarn, no more going through all of them and trying to find the perfect shade. No more tangled yarn. Everything is just so perfectly in place and so organized, and I just feel so happy. When you organize your closet or clean your room, it's such an accomplishment. I can't even explain. How do you even explain this feeling? But anyways, let's see how long I can actually last before turning this place upside down. Never going back. The thing is, I always say this, but I eventually always go back to a messy room. But hey, let's not manifest negative energy and let's try to keep it this way as long as possible. I really hope it was enjoyable or somewhat satisfying watching me get rid of all the chaos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. I will see you guys next video. Bye!